Oh, 10, 20, 30, 40, 50, 60, 70, 80, 80, 100. 2 minutes, 8 minutes, 14. Twenty-four. I'm gonna do another conjure big goods, I think. So, uh, I don't remember what I changed, but it wasn't much. It was just trying to get this basically this working. So grab splice name. So um this code is pretty familiar. We have to loop through the commands because if we're given e space test, in reality that should be edit space test, because the m function in both prepare pack and prepare data only know stuff like the original command, like edit and view, rather than the keybinds. Um, but uh, trying to come up with ways to actually do this thing, because prepare pack has uh, the ability to set the splice content and the path to it, something like that. Um, so that's pretty much golden. After that, you can we can uh implement. I'm not sure if that's the right word. The functionality to uh basically do what it's supposed to do. To uh and enable the functionality by, or just like if you press the enter key, then it does what it's supposed to. Um, but we actually have to get the content in there of the two files. And doing this reload, I struggled on the type. So then I thought, there's a few ways to go about it. Reload or the command something. And we could do something like the save, which is a switch case, or we can get type through reload. So instead of having file name and type be separated, because I was looking at this view not found, and document, when in reality it could just be a single string, view not found document, and have, the code work it out. But what I just realized, as I, continued with the rest of the function arguments, is that for content, you have to specify like the location of it. And that could either be DD, DF, or DU. So I think we have to go with the switch here. And also this switch is incomplete. There has to be more cases, I think. Because we should have I'll have to look through edit notes to see what the what the, am I looking for the reload? I'm swapping these around because I think in commands.txt they're the other way around. And I think it just makes more sense that way. Or in the structure. Yeah. Follow the structure. There, routes, post. Also here there's another switch. What would it be called? view document, view file, size feed. So it would just be note. What would be the type? Oh wait, if I click it, probably nothing would happen. I'd be losing out on 15 minutes. I think it's fine actually, because this one's matured in 14. I guess I don't need like 40 quadrillion, it's fine. Edit routes. I don't think I've done. Oh, right here. Oh no, wait. Wait, I did. Right here, I put the type as XI, I think, right? Make array, reload, file name and type, yeah. Which I think was the plan. So I'll continue with that. So we're gonna have to use the old for data when doing the grab command, I think. I forgot an equal sign. And I'm pretty sure as long as this should be fine, I think. I think that's the way it works. And then over here we would do something similar. Dang. So grab case is gonna be pretty long because it's gonna have a double for loop and a switch, I think. Besides that, should be fine, right? I think so. And I'll be using prepare pack, and I probably could use prepare pack with save and options, but ooh, something. But I'll get it again before these decay. All I need is an hour. Who knows, maybe all of them will. Oh, looks like I might be able to get it. 10 seconds. Can I do it in can I do it? Oh, just one. 4 ticks. Dang. I think I could wait. Thinking of like, should I buy buildings? Probably not, right? Should save as, try as much as I can and save cookies in the bank. Because I think I've gotten a decent amount of golden cookies. Um, hmm. Yeah, I feel like I should hold off on the buildings if I can. Because I could probably get like pretty good. Do I double my bank every time? So I'd go to like 3 quintillion, 5 quintillion, and assuming I'm at the same cookies per second, then uh, around 5 would be, or maybe 8 would be the max. Uh, I'd have to look at the grandma reward at 2000%. Okay, so it'd probably be just the same here, right? Just what changes. This would be DX. Reload. See what we got. Dang, I'm pretty sure Frenzy would be pretty good. wait. I think I might be lagging. No, but I'm not. So I think I always get the type. So right here I can switch, I think. Oh wait. Edit snippet. We could just make sure, but might not be the case. So right here, if we're saving, we split. We let temp equals split. G file name g type. Oh, this is only because you can save it to a different location. Else C plus equals default. I'm a little bit confused on that part. Default. We're just adding default to the command. Is that used anywhere though? Oh, it isn't, but it doesn't need to be, I think. Because it never gets used anywhere or checked anywhere. It's just something I put there. So I think we can just switch this. So we just do which would be pack is equal to, oh wait, what if it's an unknown type? That's something to figure out for later. I don't think it'll matter much right now. Um, and so I'll explain what I did here, I guess. We got the reloads. This should return edit instead of E, because that was changed right here. Oh no, wait, it wasn't changed. This should actually be commands U of 0. Quintillion. Oh, it's pretty much done. That more than tripled my bank. What was I? What was I at before? Like 1 point. I'm actually trying to clot here. I'm trying to think. So let's say it was at 2, 2 to 3, 3 to 4. I think it tripled. So if we're basically rounding up to 5 here, then the next one we should get like close to 14, close to that cursor max reward. And then after the next one, there wouldn't be many buildings beside. We'd have to be looking for either cursor grandma, or we'd have to start buying buildings to increase our cookies per second, I think. It's crazy. So basically what I'm trying to look for here is if I ever use command I0. Yes, I do. Right here. Cool. Uh, and I think this will give me reload 1 would give me the file name. So it would be edit space file name. And because we're in grab, we add that as well to reload if it is reloaded. But note, I don't think I would be able to save this file because post the reload is this. So E test semicolon grab space G. Uh, and I think it'll think the file name is test semicolon grab and the location is G if it were to save. So I think, although it wouldn't break, it wouldn't be what I would want it to do. I'd want it to split these into two separate commands. And I guess for now, just throw out the second, but in the future, it should be able to, depending on the command, be able to like run through multiple commands, I think. So if you were to do like, let's say you set options font size to 20 and then option text border to 30, it would run this one and then it would run this one. If I'm intentionally trying to clot, should I just not be in a frenzy? Or should I be in a frenzy because I'd be making more cookies anyway? Hmm. Oh, I gotta remember, like 5 quadrillion. Uh, command 1. Oh yeah, the splice file. And the type would be document. And then we would do content, document location, request dot body dot f. Nope. Going into autopilot copy, so content that okay, no wait, this makes sense. Reload 1, so the file name, and then I think the options would be normal, and then we're gonna include a splice location, which would be wait, what do I put for the type here? Oh, I'd have to put document. I'd only put a different type of I was editing a splice. Um, mm, It's gonna take one. So that would be like G. And then we can do more. Is this place variable just file name? I think this works. Let me check the not process edit functions. Oh wait, Splice is that? Why did I do it that way? Shouldn't Splice just be the file name? Can I check the length of pass? This is so strange. Because right here I did. Oh, I guess it kind of makes sense. But it means it doesn't matter what I put here. Like, because something has to be here. So it's this. But what I could have done is I could have, can I? I'm gonna leave it, but I'm gonna put a, maybe, check if pass greater than equal to 3. Read, what's that? Place else. Place. Oh. I think that makes more sense. Because then I wouldn't need that variable there. Well, that perfectly hit the end of the window. Um, Hmm. But for now, I think this should work. Now we just have to do it uh 5 more times. So I think you could delete this comment. Delete this, delete this. And copy paste. And this a few times. 5 times. Um we got file. File. DF. Hopefully I'm not missing anything. I don't think I am. Nope. And then there's DX. XI. Splice. DSP. And then splice. Oh, and then user is just one, right? This one might be a little bit weird. Hold on. Uh, um, hmm. For user, the way I did it in save is prepared data. No. Except I think this part is fine. I think the reload might change a bit. Uh, what is changing here? What is old prepared data? Content path. So the content path is the only thing that changes here. And write file, but I'm not writing to a file right now. Content path. I um I hope this doesn't just kind of spiral. It hasn't. Yeah, it hasn't seemed like it has yet, but it's getting close. I would be, you know, I don't know I don't, if the reality is that m- this that multiple commands is like the limit, and content path is now the user folder, me, and then a file name, kind of. And I think all those reloads are supposed to be S reloads. I think I caught that. And so, it's supposed to be an S. So uh, I guess I don't have to. I'm not sure if I'm gonna test it out right now or not. What's the next thing I have to do? Probably be able to save without it breaking. So should I temporarily not include the grab to the reload? I think so. I think that'll make sure I could save, I think. And sure, reload should have Um, we just do this. Oh, document. This is supposed to be user, isn't it? That. Um. Okay. So now I could save. Oh no, I missed a golden cookie. No. No. I can't believe I missed a golden cookie. I think I'm just gonna. I have to be able to get a clock. It's probably not that much considering I'm tripling my bank, right? Like, even if I were to double my bank, that'd still be pretty good, right? As the next golden cookie is gonna be a frenzy, and then click it, it's gonna clot, and if it doesn't, then I'm just gonna plan it anyway. Imagine I plan it and the next one's a clot. Oh my god. Now I have to for sure wait until I get a clot so that doesn't happen. To committed. Okay, so we have the ability to save, and we have this stuff. Now we just do the actual functionality part. Oh boy. Let's try to get it done. It can't be that hard, is it? At least we can at least think about it. Oh, this is scary. Scary. Oh, this is scary. So, temp keybind. Yeah, okay. Um, um, do stuff. Uh, there it is. Oh, we have to wait for the frenzy to go away. $7,000 clicks. So, we need to maybe read current line. Check if current line is bind in G in place. Delete current line and then insert splice or bind. First thing that came to my head. Question mark second. Dang. Well, it won't last for that long, so. $300 clicks, I could do that. It didn't last 15 seconds. That's because it's crap. 2,000. 2,000. It's crazy. But that was only like Oh, because my CPS is and cookies per second is halved. That's why the reward extra reward for bakery was low. Okay, now we can start planning. We only cut it in half. I It was so not worth it to wait for the clot. So not worth it. Not even close. That money gained would have easily been made back by not having to wait for these big berries to grow for as long. I think I actually waited a long time. Oh, dropped by big berry plants. This is new. And all the upgrades are gonna be take so long to find. Compared to like I guess some of the achievements might be pretty difficult, I guess. So I don't think we need to read. I think we just need to check. And uh the delete, that's just code from and then insert from paste. Uh and that check should be pretty blah, blah, blah. The check should be pretty easy. Kind of. We have to figure out what should be checked and what shouldn't be checked when it comes to splice. The current line is easy. Uh, we just loop through splice. Splice. Um, so that'll be new. And I did say I wanted to use a bit of Greek, was it? Um, so I think if I could find it, I'm gonna edit is.dev. We're gonna go into my temporary locals server files, like ace.dev users. And we're gonna go to ace. We go to xi. We're gonna go elo. So this is a note, and you see here the Greek symbol. You have the uh, I guess it would be the title, and what it's connected to. And third line is anything connected to it. So Python would have elo in its third category. Generally it would be autofill, it wouldn't have to be typed because that'd probably be a pain to type, I think. It'll figure stuff out. You have a description. It's the rating system. And then right here, and let's say you wanted to paste just a description of the note, right? How did I want to do it? I think I had it on my to-do list. Title of the note, the entire note would just be N. Oh, I get it. So, I think what I meant is, I'm trying to find a place to write stuff. So you'd have something like elo description, and then once you pressed enter on or N on that because it's a note, then it would find the description and then splice in the description, or if it's the template, or if it's something else, whatever it is, it'll find it. And then the normal function, where you put in the winner rating, the loser rating, the K, and it returns the updated ratings, I think. Okay, so we need to find, so that is good. That's cool. But for here I have a semicolon. That's not it. We need we need to figure out what we're gonna use that is different from XI. I guess also because they all have also names as well. So technically I could change the name of Splice to basically the name of the character that will be like entwined with Splice, but okay. Splice. Basically, so with note, the reason why I chose this character is because it looks like sometimes either right here or right here. It's hard to see. but basically like the top of it's basically a square. I think of it as like a page, and the line in the middle is like it's basically like a writing. It's like a very like note, like writing a note on paper, a single line, single note. Um, with splites, its main purpose is just replacing things with other things. Like quickness and insert stuff. So yeah, alpha, beta, gamma, maybe delta, splice, epsilon. Um, maybe zeta, probably not. Uh, do I still have ksnip? Uh, ksnip. I do. So alpha probably definitely not. Splice, beta, splice. Uh, oh. Lowercase gamma maybe, but there's no, no, no. Bigger delta, no. Epsilon, no. Big Z, no. H, no. Theta, lambda, mu, nu. Sigma. Either this one or this one. Maybe. Uh, Omega. Uh, I have to think of like insert slash replace. Insert slash replace. Probably not. No. 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 Already used. No. 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 Uh, no. Epsilon. I don't think so, no. Phi. Maybe the capital version. Um, No. Uh, both of these are like insert. This is like insert. A smaller one, no. Um, I think I might be leaning towards this one, maybe. And are these both of these is lowercase? I'm a little bit confused here. Um, okay, I think I'm gonna choose this one. I don't even know how it's actually pronounced. I don't want the entire thing, I guess. Hold on, is this gonna be super loud? Hold on. I already forgot. Psi, or C. Um, okay, so how do I need that symbol? How do I copy paste it? Okay, alphabet. Uh, I think on the Wikipedia page. Not loading. My internet. Where's the capital? right? This works if I just um oops. Um, yeah, that works. Why does the lowercase look bigger? Where's the kisnip? It's a little strange, but would it look different in here? Hold on. Open up a test file. Edit test. It's two copied. And I can do like a paste here. Normal. I'd have to. It did not work. Hold on. I know what to do. Uh, okay, it does work. Um, okay, I'll still go with the capital, I guess. So I guess there's two. Okay, okay. Uh, 10, 20, 30, 40, 50, 60, 70, 80, 90. Okay, so now we need to search for these characters. Uh, edit, it's edit, twice. Um, so now we need to, do we create a function to, um, to separate splice into a list of actually probably not. We could just loop through every line, and if the line starts with that, then I could write commented code just temporarily. I think something like 4. Uh, length equal. We're going backwards because it doesn't matter. We're only doing one line. Is it? Is that it? It is. No, no, no. I'm going crazy. Um, so, if dot is equivalent to is it slice or splice? Yes. Splice. I think it still might be splice. Splice. Just splice or splice string. Oh, I guess they both can do it. They just do it in. Slice extracts the text from one string and returns a new string. Guess that would be under these. string.slice. Index start, index end. Stop modifying. So I think slice. Oh no, wait, it's in an array of arrays. I don't know what to do. I'll think about that later. Then we delete current line if for g dot splice for splice for I to splice dot length if g dot splice I does not splice I not equal I need that weird character now. Edit slices G. Edit snippets. Edit. No. Function. Splice. This thing. Insert line. But I. Okay, I have an idea. No. So. If it is equivalent to that, then we let and equal I for I to I insert a line. So we're inserting it backwards because it's just better that way. There's probably a way where you could do it without one of the for loops I've used, but oops. Or um, you can do if uh, current oops. Or um, if that thing uh count equal 0, count plus plus, uh, insert line position plus count. Something like that. The count is supposed to be outside the, supposed to be checking it for a loop, not this if statement, but the point is there. And I'll add the code for delete current line here. Just copy paste in a sec. Um, uh, I think it's all of this. Or we need to call R. That's right. So if we have a line, then we delete the line and we move our cursor down. Otherwise, if we don't have, we have whatever, it works. So I'm pretty sure that works. I think I could continue later. I think we're golden. Good. And I hate having to needing to go to sleep and being tired and everything. Uh, I wish it was like eat like twice as many calories and stay up for twice as long or something like that. Be like okay, I'm tired. I think it's time to go. Um, yep, and save here. Okay, I'll close everything. It is November 6th, Sunday. 1:35 a.m.